nice breeze.
Emma Victoria sailed the seven seas, commissioned out of adversity to the one who held the keys. No legs to stand on, but a woman she is still, with a smirk of confident obedience to take the challenge from the thrill. She poses ever so lovely under the stars that light her way, and as the wind pushes her sails I could almost hear her pray. People say I was hanging, unable to tell the tale, but now I'm smiling and starting to speak, and the moonlight soft and pale. Emma Victoria, lady of the sea, the lady I remember who had the Savior's keys. Emma Victoria, lady of the sea, the one I remember if I could ever see.